guys, welcome back to our channel, Colin and Colin Ivy. So today it's July 4th, 2022, and it's Monday, and it's Independence Day here in the US.
Yep.
So we we are ready. We're going to downtown Portland to see or to watch fireworks. So and it's gonna start what time for the
I
fireworks?
think they start at 10 p.m.
10 p.m. But we are so early. It's just 8:35. But how long will the drive would be?
Like about half an hour.
Yeah, if we are driving with our car. So if you're gonna use a Max, then yeah, it's gonna be a different story. So it's gonna be longer time for the commute. But today we're gonna use our car to drive there and see what's going on there before the fireworks starts at 10 p.m. So we still have a lot of time. It's better to be early than be late.
Yep.
So we are going, but the boys will be there. Of course, we can't bring them, though dogs are allowed, but
Pretty little faces.
yeah. For sure they wouldn't like the fireworks.
And
So
all the people. Well, Thor would like all the people, but
yeah.
not so much.
We are going now.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. It is really super.
And then have it fully fenced and have a front fence to kind of keep people out and keep people from driving in. And to set something up to where, like, deliveries, they can put it into have like a big thing where they open up and you put the delivery in there, and then when they close it, it pulls it and puts it into like a safe box thing or something. So
Yeah.
digging forth all the way down.
Experiencing some pain at the pump right now. Oh gosh, high gas prices are horrible. And right at the time when the weather is finally nice and you want to get out and go somewhere fun.
I would love to take my family on a little summer vacation here.
This $3,000. 1067 Eagle wants to give it to you. We're giving away $1,000 13 times a day with the $1,000 great gas giveaway.
Show me the money.
Just listen for the keyword. Weekdays at 15 after the hour from 6.
Just past this light. It's not the same hearing the big booms and everything.
Yeah. And here we are walking, going towards the bridge. Or where?
The
In the
bridge.
park. Yeah. So we just parked the
That's where
car.
we brought the boys and we could go up there and like chill up there.
And downtown Portland is quiet right now. Is that the
Except for a noisy car.
my I should put this. Honey.
You turn green. Everybody's just kind of slowly wandering up here.
Yeah.
So to go out onto the bridge, we have to go a couple blocks back into the city.
I guess they're going there. There's like this is the cruise. I don't know, like you can eat there inside, but it's so expensive.
Yeah, let's see.
I was like looking at it online. Well, because maybe only for this July 4th it's super expensive, but it's still expensive. But I mean much more because of the cruise and then the food.
Yeah, it's really good. We did. That's where the dogs would go.
Yeah. So guys, we are here in the park. So this is called like the Tom McCall.
Yep.
The Tom McCall Park here in Portland. I did the vlog on this too before when we brought the boys, Thor and Loki. So now we're just like walking and we are planning to go to that
See that
bridge.
barge way up there. That's what's got all the fireworks on that barge.
I can
So you
see.
walk over to so not standing in the middle.
Yeah. Where is that?
Over straight that way. Barge is getting in place. That's where they're gonna let off the fireworks.
Oh, okay. Yeah, like it's over there, right?
They'll have to zoom in.
I can zoom in because I did a dual
Yeah.
picture. So, but isn't it's cool to see those different colors
Yeah,
of
you got
the
red,
light.
white, and blue.
Yeah, and the bridge.
Other fireworks going off in the background over
Yeah.
there.
So I don't see any people there in
There's
in the
some
bridge.
people up there,
There
but they
is?
might be just closing the bridge down and just keeping people off the bridge.
yeah, could be. So I guess we can't go to the bridge. Yeah.
We can go to the bridge, just not on the bridge.
So meaning like over there, right, on the side. But I guess we're fine in here. We can still see it clearly.
Yeah, we'd be able to see it. They probably just don't want that many people on the bridge because then they have to worry about people falling off
Yeah.
or like a fight breaking out and getting emergency services and everything. We can continue going down. They might still be having like a festival stuff going on.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So there's people in here. Well, of course, either there's an occasion or not. It's a park, so. But much more maybe later because of the fireworks going on, which they're preparing over there.
That's the little motorcycle.
Oh yeah, that's so cute. There's like, look at that motorcycle, super cute. So,
It's got like a full motorcycle gear.
uh,
It's like a miniature Touareg.
I kind of miss the boys there.
That's gotta be the barge.
So we finally found a spot. We are sitting here.
Yep.
Just to wait 10 p.m. to start the fireworks. There's a already look that one. Also him. So I guess we found the best spot that we can find. So it's an open
Quick little
space
spot.
there. There's no trees like that one that would block in front of us. So I believe that over there would be the fireworks display. So people have been waiting.
We got open viewing around this, 50% grass.
Thank you, because I thought there was people there. I'm tired, my head. I'm using the AP. See that sometimes like the focus wouldn't focus.
Oh yeah, battling between the close and the far.
I'm using the 8K. It's not bad for dark. I think it was worth it that we were sitting there while waiting, not like waiting while standing, right?
Yeah.
And then we just like,
Saves our legs.
yeah. Avocado.
Those ones are always cool.
Yeah.
Like the palm tree ones.
We are really on the right spot, honey.
There's a couple of them. Yeah, they got a good
You want me to?
You're tired. Let me know. Yeah, you can put it in my elbow. I'm so good at that now.
Alright, I got you covered, honey.
I'm trying not to shake.
But Christmas.
Yeah.
Go ahead and like watch the regular. I got the screen.
I'm used to it. It's nice. You can zoom it in.
How it comes back to you.
Remember one place they had this giant fireworks and they accidentally, when they wired it, they accidentally wired it wrong, so they all went off at once, and it was just like a giant, just like massive fireworks thing, and like it lasted like 30 seconds. It was supposed to be like a half an hour program.
Yeah, good thing I didn't like pause any part. Maybe let's use the regular. Okay. I'll do it after the one. Now this is better.
On it so that way it'll. You want me to do it? I can get above the head.
Okay. Because it would trigger other object. Should we zoom it in?
Oh, the one behind us? Yeah.